To another episode of Painting with Bob. Let me put the title of this one on the screen. This one's going to be pretty darn complicated for somebody who can't draw so much as a stick figure. What I have is I got the white canvas, then black gesso with paper towel and a smudge down here because it's going to be a waterfall, and then extremely little amount of liquid clear over the whole canvas, then phthalo blue and green, very little, and then kind of like a phthalo blue with some black up here, just very, very little. As he says on the video, almost just like a stain. So that's where we are right now. I'm about to put a little bit of titanium white on the brush. I'm going to supposedly make a brighter area right up in here. So let's see what we got.
Making little X's, little crisscross strokes, right above the waterfall. Something about like so. And just let it blend back into it. Once we get the big trees and stuff back in here. And yeah, see all the little black gesso things still show through. And it looks like you've worked yourself to death. And you've done very, very little. Now, we have this nice waterfall. Now we're going to push it way back into.
Alright, now hang on. What are the odds I get this to work first shot?
And blend it in. And it'll soften and bring all that together. I see you could look right through that waterfall and see stones and rocks that are behind it. There. That's sort of sneaky, isn't it? All right. Let's mix up some black. A little bit of Prussian blue. And begin forming some basic shapes for some nice big trees. And just, they just sort of hang out here. There. All right. See, give us some background on that waterfall so it doesn't just hang there. There we go. This rock is in front of that rock because I want that rock here to be behind, back behind the waterfall. There, something like that. There we are. All right. All right. Now we take a little bit white, the dark side, that like brown into it. Maybe at least a touch of yellow over. And if you learn, time is not wasted. There. It also helps create an illusion of distance. Because it looks like the waterfall's way behind these trees. That's what we want to do. There. Looks good. Once again, the black gesso has done most of it. So let's just do the same thing. We'll take the top corner of that brush and we're going to tap it. Just tap it. Just basically tap it in the body. And we start tapping here. All three. And a nice misty effect. Right down here. There. Alright. Just by tapping. All kinds of little things that we can see sticking out through there. There. See there? Already it gives the impression that there's all kinds of little limbs and things happening. You've done very, very little. Very little. There. Wherever. Wherever. Where. All the little highlights. Think about shape and form. How all these little limbs grow in clumps, little branches and it's just a collection of bushes that got together and grew big to make a big tree. Think about little individual bushes that live in here. I really like these kind of paintings. I really like them. And they're so easy to do with the black gesso. Before we had the black gesso, this was something that I wanted to paint, but I couldn't figure out how to do it in the time frame that they give us for television. Because the actual painting time is only 26 and a half minutes or something like that. And I had this sort of look. And everybody's painting will be different. Don't just try to copy what we've done here. Look at your painting. Painting should not just be copying. It should be doing your own thing. That's really what makes it fun. And that's the person you need to please, is yourself. If you're happy with what you've done, that's what's important. That's really what's important. It's not what somebody else tells you should be done. Not in painting anyway. Things that live back in here. Mix up a little touch of color. I almost ran out of color. There we go. And then just take our other colors and bounce them around. Let the knife just touch, bounce, jump, move, carry on like that. And that's, it'll make all these beautiful rough places. It does help. Maybe there's another little thing. Maybe stones all over the place here. See there? Goes right out of there. And off it goes on a long journey. We don't know where it's going to go. Well, we do know where it's going to go. It's going to end up in the ocean. We just don't know which one. There we go. Now, tell you what. This, yeah. I think maybe, I don't do this very often, but in nature, you always have old trees that have fell off into the water. And sometimes we take our little script liner brush, go right into our Van Dyke brown. Maybe there's a big old limb here. Put it on the brown. Maybe there's a little one down here. Like that. Wherever. The brown and white. So we have a little highlight. I want that old man to show up. Never even know. Maybe this is real low.
white on here. So I'm trying to get over that brown without having a mess.
Big old tree.
I don't want to put a big old tree. Alright, so he's putting big old trees and stuff now. So something I don't want to do. So one of the things, now I just need to look back and see where I can make adjustments here. Alright, I think I'm going to just walk away.